Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Maz Natural and I do lock videos, fitness videos, faith videos, vlogs and skincare. So if any of these topics interest you, then do hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. Now today's video is, I got a question from a subscriber, so I thought I would jump on and answer the question in the video format. The subscriber's name is Young Sage and he said clarifying shampoo, or he said CVS, but I think he means ACV. That's if it's a young man, it could be a young woman, but yeah. So he's asking which is the best method to deep clean your locks. Now I've used both methods. I've used the ACV and I've used the clarifying shampoo and I've used Fairy Liquid, and all three methods are good. So some people might be wondering, what is apple cider vinegar deep clean? Why would you do a deep clean? I haven't done a deep clean since about a couple of years ago now. I actually got a video of when I did a deep clean, so I'll post it somewhere here, or I'll put it in the description box, or I'll put it up on the cards. If you're a person and you use a lot of products, because I know a lot of people who have locks, they use a lot of products. They might use gels, they might use grease, they might use conditioner. And what happens is, if you use all these products, eventually, it might not happen straight away, eventually they will build up inside your locks. So what people do, they'll give themselves a deep clean, and what that does is that it will balance out your pH levels for your scalp and your actual locks. And the vinegar can prevent mildew and mold and even lice, yes, head lice, from growing inside your locks. The thought of that is just disgusting. So the bicarbonate of soda will soften your locks and deep clean your locks and remove products and sebum from your scalp and also the locks as well. It can soften your locks. Once you've done the ACV, you will see a difference in the way your locks feel and the way your locks look. The ACV is not meant to replace your shampoo, it's meant to be used after you do a shampoo. Some people, when they do the apple cider vinegar rinse, they don't wash their hair beforehand. The first time I did it, I didn't wash my hair. I just did the rinse, the soak, and then I shampooed my hair as normal afterwards. But you can do it either way, whichever's comfortable for you. I've used the clarifying shampoo. The clarifying shampoo is basically a really stripping shampoo, which strips the living daylights out of your hair. When I say living daylights, it strips all the build-up from your hair, but it can leave your hair dry. And also Fairy Liquid, I don't know, you guys in America probably call it like Dawn on soap. We call it Fairy Liquid, and I've used that before. I've used Fairy Liquid because back in the day when I was experimenting with all sorts of products, I had a lot of build-up, and normal shampoo would not get this build-up out. I had to get really deep, really strong, something strong. So I discovered washing up liquid, which, not the normal brand, not like the green Fairy. I used to use the lemon Fairy, and I've used that, and that, whoa, when I say that strips the hair, it strips. So I've only ever used that twice in like all the years I've had locks, which is over 20 years. I've used that about twice because it's very harsh. So I wouldn't recommend you using that a lot, unless you've got really hard buildup, because Fairy Liquid is a degreaser. It removes grease from dishes and makes your glasses shine. So obviously I thought, because I've had a lot of build-up from the waxes that I used to use back in the time when I first had my locks, I had a lot of build-up at the end of the locks, so I had to try and get it out. So that was the best thing to use at that time. But personally, I wouldn't recommend it because it's very drying for your locks. So the best method for me, what I would recommend, is the apple cider vinegar. And before, what you would do, you would fill a bowl with warm water. You use the bicarbonate of soda, add a couple of cups of the apple cider vinegar, and then it will all fizz up. Put your locks in, immerse your locks in the water and give it a good old soak, and it would just fizz and lift out all the dirt and all the build-up. All the years of whatever you've been using will all come out in the water, and the water will be brown, or it could be black but mostly it will be like dark murky brown, the water. So basically that's all the dirt, that's all the conditioner, that's all the shampoos you've used, that's all the gels, that's all the grease, whatever you've used in your locks, it will bring it all out. And sometimes you've got to be careful, because sometimes it will bring it out, but it won't bring it fully out. It will just bring it to the surface, so the buildup will show up on your locks. So you've got to give it a very good shampoo afterwards. But the method, what I'm going to try anyway, when I try this method, the new method of deep cleaning your locks, which basically you would shake the bicarbonate, is, I don't know, I'm a bit, shall I try it that way? But I'm going to try it. I will, if you want me to try that way of deep cleaning, and put it in the comments below, and I will try and do it for you. So basically you just shake it all on your hair, your locks, and then you get your spray bottle and you spray. I think that's the best way for me personally, because I feel it reacts more effectively than diluting it in the water. And then if you want to, you can just immerse your hair in the water afterwards. So as I said, the benefits is your hair would feel so light, and that is why I went down the road of limiting the products that I use in my hair. All those gels, all those conditioners, creamy shampoos, gels, grease, all of that I stopped using. And yes, I did used to use it. I think as you go along in your lock journey, you do experiment, and that is the only thing that I would say to anyone who has locks, is just be careful what you put in your hair, because it's so hard. Once it gets in there and gets trapped, it's hard to get it out. So prevention is better than cure. So just be careful, be very careful about what you put on your locks and put in your locks. I hope that answered your question, young sage. If any of you guys have got any more questions or comments on this topic, then do put it in the comments box below. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll be alerted of my up and coming videos. So as always, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.